Hey everyone, welcome back to another very quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to give you a free online vector graphic editor that works directly over your browser, and you don't even need to download any third-party application, and it's totally free, but you don't even require it for signing in over there, right? So in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser on your platform and search for vector, and make sure there is no O in the vector spelling, and just simply hit enter. And here you're going to see this website, which is vector.com. Just simply open this, and you can start by uploading your picture. For example, if I upload anything, it currently, let's continue as a free user. I can start uploading and editing my graphics, and it's totally free. You can use it multiple times, and it provides various functionality. So it's a very basic but a very useful website. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.